better way to roll into your weekend than with your pockets full of $3,770. Well, my members here at Big Energy Profits had the opportunity to do just that with our weekly trade idea that transpired this past week. The trigger was to buy long at 69.85. Target 1 was at 71.10. Target 2 and 3 were not acquired as we lost steam after we had punctured the first target, which is okay. It happens. So we just knew we had to close out our second and third contract at 1400 Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So when the first target was hit, it was $1,250. Awesome. Second target and third, when we closed those two contracts at the close of the week, an additional $1,260 per contract there for a grand total of $3,770 deposited into my members' accounts who took this weekly trade idea this past week. Now, guys, if you feel like you're missing out, the volatility that comes with this sector, there's a reason that I've exclusively traded it for nearly a decade because it has paid me huge in opportunities that have come to me and my family over the years. So I'm here, of course, to share this with you. Now, if you'd like to learn more, there's a link below this video. By clicking on it, it will take you to my training webinar. In my training webinar, I'm going to show you exactly who I am, what I do, and how you can benefit from becoming a member here at Big Energy Profits. So with that, I wish you a beautiful and blessed weekend. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. Most importantly, I hope you're healthy. Myself and my staff look forward to working with you soon. Take care.